This is thoroughly owned by Heather Meyer. What we're going to do here, Heather, is some bird stuff with the gun. First, Brian's going to throw a dead bird, pop a shotgun. Do another dead bird here. Comes back nice. One thing I want you to watch is just how focused she is. Yep, he's going to go to clipper, which means it's going to flap and jump around. That was good. He's on that.
You can just see right there that
little hesitation. Yep, I saw it. What Brian's talking about is what she's starting to do sometimes on the live ones, that she'll give up on the chase of it. So I'll talk to you about that now that I get to see her. He's getting a little more distance in there. What he was telling me is on the flyers, it's like she's not sure about chasing it. So I'll talk to you about that, Heather, once we watch this video together. So he's I was going to go to a chucker, which typically is more life to it. Brian was telling me sometimes she just gives up on the chase a little bit. Oh, she caught that right away, which is good. Yep. Yeah, so what Brian's going to do, he taped the legs so one runs super fast, and I was going to break the tape. So typically what we do, Heather, when we get to this stage of the training, is we go from clipper chuckers, which can run more than a pigeon, and then go to a flyer. She's fast, that's good, but she's wanting it, so.
We'll go to a flyer
Yep,
now.
yep. I'm kind of explaining to her, Brian, what you're telling me. So I told her when we get to the flyer, she might not chase it.
Yeah, she comes off of it. So
we'll see.
Go to 410 because I might shoot it this go around. Again, the gun's never been an issue.
Yeah.
Just the chase part.
So Brian's going to a little small. It's 410, so if she doesn't chase it, I think he still wants to shoot it. So we'll just see what she does here. There we go. That was probably good. It was flapping out there.
See, I can't get that.
She kind of... It's almost like when you were dizzying it, she knew something was going to be different.
Yeah, it's not that throw.
Yeah.
You know, where your hand
Because she kind of looked at you as she was going, where the other one, she didn't look at you at all.
We'll do another one.
Yep.
Here.
And I'm telling her about using a 410, so you won't, because you're going to shoot it.
Yeah. And it's a little quieter being that close.
That's what I meant, yeah.
I'm trying to kill it a little quicker.
Yeah, yeah. And you can see she's still pretty focused on it. And you'll get that sometimes. Like I said, I just need to see what's been done with her at home when you play fetch. Because you see, he's dizzying it. She's anticipating it. You can see she wants to go. she's like, what's it going to do? She's chasing it. No. So there's what I want you to see. She's almost anticipating it's going to do something different.
Right there is that. I wish I had something to throw.
There we go. That was good to see her turn and go after it, though. Yeah. So, main thing there was the gun, Heather, but I'll talk to you about that. So that's Surly, owned by Heather Meyer.